In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a CapCut creator. Whether you're brand new to editing or looking to turn your skills into growth and potential earnings, I'll walk you through the process from setup to scaling. Start by installing CapCut on your phone or desktop, then sign up or log in with the platform you already use. Once you're in, complete your profile with a clear username, a recognizable profile photo, and a short bio that mentions your editing focus. This helps the system and viewers understand what you offer right away. Next, make sure you meet the basic eligibility. You'll need an active account, your own original content, and at least foundational video editing skills. Consistent posting and following community guidelines are essential. Linking a TikTok account can improve discoverability, although it isn't always required depending on your region. To apply for the CapCut Creator Program, open CapCut, go to your profile and look for Creator Center or become a creator. If you don't see it, use the in-app search to find CapCut Creator Program. Fill out the application with your editing experience, your niche like transitions, lyric videos, reels, or vlogs, and sample work if requested. Approval can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, so be patient. Before publishing templates, learn the standards CapCut prioritizes. The 9:16 aspect ratio is the default for vertical content. Keep beat sync tight, make placeholders obvious and easy to replace, use trending music from the in-app library, and keep effects clean rather than overcrowded. Simple, reusable, trend-based templates tend to perform best. Create your first template by starting a new project. Build it with transitions, effects, text animations, and music, and make sure clips are easily replaceable. When you're happy, export and publish as a template, adding a clear title, relevant tags or hashtags, and a concise description. Publish consistently, ideally 3 to 5 templates per week. Follow trends like popular audios, viral transitions, and current aesthetics, and test different niches to see what resonates. Consistency strongly boosts visibility. Promote your templates on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Include a direct call to action like use this CapCut template and link your CapCut profile in your bios. Track performance in Creator Center by watching uses, views, saves, engagement, and earnings where available. Let your high-performing templates guide your next ideas. If monetization is available in your region, explore usage bonuses, creator incentives, brand collaborations, or driving traffic to your paid services. Finally, keep improving. Study viral templates, refine pacing and simplicity, stay on top of new effects, and build a recognizable style. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tutorials.